engineer because I really wanted to be challenged. I really wanted to be able to push myself and see what I could accomplish. My name is Hannah McDermott and I'm a sophomore here at Snow. I'm going into mechanical engineering and I hope one day to be able to specialize in ocean engineering. I think Snow has a great engineering department. Every one of the professors really do care and want you to succeed, and they want you to take the right classes from the right professors and make sure that you have that foundation starting off.
My name is Brian Newbold. I am a mechanical engineer. My background in education is actually I'm a rocket scientist. Snow College had such an excellent reputation in engineering that I was excited to come to Snow College and to teach. In our engineering classes, we encourage students to develop a culture of innovation. That's what engineering is about. It's coming up with new and creative solutions to the problems that we face. We live in a technological world. There's almost nothing in the world around us that wasn't created by an engineer. In our introductory engineering class, we immediately expose students to Lego robots.
With those robots, we were able to not only build them from scratch, but also the programming we did all ourselves.
We create with our small classes an atmosphere where students can engage one-on-one with professors and with other students, which really enhances their learning. I love teaching at Snow College because of the tradition of excellence we have in education.